Hello, welcome back to T-AITechnology channel. In previous videos we showed you how to use ChatGPT and Pictory AI for free. And today we are going to introduce you to a free Microsoft Image Generator AI. Okay, let's go.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to support us. Today we will try using Microsoft Designer. First you need to visit designer.microsoft.com. This is the interface of the website. To get started, click Try Designer for free. You need a Microsoft account to be able to use this AI. If you don't have one, you can use your Google account to sign up for a Microsoft account. This is the interface of Microsoft Design. First you need to enter the content you want for your image. I will try to make a cover photo for my new video. Okay, now click Generate. Samples will be created. You can take it if you are satisfied with it, or you can optionally edit it if you are not satisfied. I will choose this template. You can download or edit it here. Here is the interface for editing. There are tools for photo editing here. I will try to choose a different layout and fix it to my liking. Oh, I will delete this frame. I will put text here. And change the font color to red. You can click on the image to edit. I will try the effect. There are options available for you to edit. I won't go too deep in this part because I'm not a professional photo editor anyway. I'll try to edit it a bit, hope it's okay. You can also customize the transparency of the image by clicking here. Oh, keep it that way. I will choose this effect for the image. Let's try the visual tag. This is quite interesting. You can describe what you want and the AI will create it. Let's create a logo. Maybe I gave a little bit of information so the picture is not very detailed. You can clearly describe what you want. Try it, it's very good. I will use this for now. I'll edit it a bit and put it here. Next is the text tool. You can write text on it. It also has font selection, color. I will add my channel name. Let it be. You can even design your own logo in the brand kit. Try it out. It looks bad from the pictures, but that's entirely because I'm not very good at it myself. However, this is still a pretty useful software for those who want to design photos. Experience it and share your experience. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.